Hey guys, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 137 Eastern Ave, Unit 1. And this is a 3-bed, 1-bath on the first floor in Worcester, Mass. And I just want to start off by showing you what it looks like when you first come in. So that's the front door right there. Here's the living room. You got the nice vinyl flooring going throughout and forced air heating system. So you got a couple vents coming up through the floor. And it's going to show you a couple angles to get a good idea of the space. It's easily big enough for like a couple sectionals or whatever furniture you probably have. You probably have no time getting any kind of like big mattresses through, like a king size. Speaking of that, this is the bedroom. So they're all about this size. The third one might be a little bit smaller, but they all got, you know, everything included for the bedroom. You got the forced air heating vent right there as well, which is nice. And they're all on this side of the house on the right side. Good lighting coming in through that angle. And I'll back up again just to show you. Also, she's got some boxes laid out under the blinds because somebody's coming to replace some of those blinds. I don't know if you see that box over there. But this is the kitchen. So pretty standard kitchen, but it's also got a lot of good room in here. You can kind of tell my voice is even like echoing because it's a nice sized kitchen. You know, you can put a dining table in here with no problem. 4-burner gas stove. The stove is gas, so you get that, the fridge and the range. Bathrooms over there. The other 2 bedrooms are here. This is the second bedroom. Good size in here too. You can easily fit like the bed, and also if you had like a desk or like a big dresser or something. And we'll go ahead and take a look at this bathroom too. So I really like this bathroom because it's got this vanity mirror, and it's pretty big in here. It's got the hookups all set up and ready to go for the washer and dryer, so it's just plug in. And here's the shower. They're actually coming to install the shower head too. So that's the bathroom, and here's the 3rd bedroom. That goes out to the back porch. Here's the 3rd bedroom. It's got a closet right there. It would really just be something to slide in front of it just to cover it. And yeah, this is the 3rd bedroom, but definitely this is the smaller out of the other 2. It's a little bit less wide, but I think they're all kind of the same length going down. And we'll do another last walkthrough of the apartment. Now this is available now, so it's going to be on Nexus, WOR.com. So feel free to go on there or give us a call just to find out what we've got available. But if you're seeing this within a little bit of its posting, then definitely. And yeah, this has been 137 Eastern Ave, Unit 1. This has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.